Share screen. Yan, ano man? Ay, ma'am.
Ano may budayang ko magamit sa ano ba?
Pagaling sila.
Na ano ko na, pre?
Admin man sa talaga.
Na, on. Thank you.
Ay, wala pa.
Okay, so once again, so thank you, for that introduction. So once again, Ma'am Mila, the principal of Upper Katungal National High School, and of course to our principal, Ma'am Bing Scopia, and the rest of the participants. So this morning, I am in task to discuss the following and a sort of, I'm going to give a demonstration to the following. First is, at the end of the discussion and the demonstration, participants will be able to have the following. Okay, first, manage section and subjects and get to know the protocols to follow. Now, enable to add and enable to use very well our LMS, we need to have sort of protocols for you to be able, kasi yung LMS natin is just a program and it really follow protocols. If you don't follow the protocols, most probably you get problem with the system itself. So I am going to discuss that one. Next, we are going to enroll user. So we are going to enroll user in a single way, in single manner, and of course, we're going to enroll users in the bulk upload. Next, after we do that, we are going to reset password. After we had reset additional, we are going to enroll user or enroll the teachers to the particular subject in the LMS. Okay. Now, every one of you, now a sort of reminders, and we have discussed this yesterday, that you yourself is a manager. Every one of you could view other schools' facilities that are included in the domain of slms.depedtakurong.org. Okay. Now, we are just going to remind you that since you are the manager, please kindly manage just your own school. Don't touch the other. Pay respect also to other managers of different schools. Kasi magagalaw nyo po, kasi isang domain lang po kayo. Magagalaw nyo po, pwede nyo pong galawin yung facilities, rooms, subjects, everything, lessons of the different of the schools that are connected again to the domain. Okay? So much for that. Okay, first is we need to manage section and subject. Okay, so first is of course you need to log in to our.
Ay, by the way, gali, batin ko sir ha.
Sige.
Kasi magtingala ka mo dito sa courses kag ang mga terminology nga ginamit. Pag balito ang category, kay nag-create namin kami sa inyong gid nga sariling school category. So, since you are using one domain, S means secondary LMS, according kay Sir Joey. So, kayo na mga manager, pwede nyo makita yung sa kabilang school. So, dapat may protocol tayong ginapalo. When we create our section, kasi ilalagay nyo doon yung section. Sa bawat section, ilalagay ninyo ang subject. Yung term kanina na ginamit na course, that is subject. So, lalagay nyo yung mga subject doon. So, baka naglagay kayo ng subject section sa kabilang school, it create confusion sa other school.
Bawat section
Bawat teachers, ma'am, may mga password po. Yung mga teachers, ma'am, hindi nila
Hindi
makita
po.
yung ibang nest.
Pero yung manager po
Pero
pwede.
the admin, pwede po nila makita yung sa ibang school. Opo. Oo. Kaya ma'am, introduce talaga namin, stress out talaga namin yung term na protocol to follow para hindi po natin masira yung sa iba.
Or yung mga distinctions, first, may mga tools na if ever man, pareho to the section.
Yes, tama po. Kaya kahapon, nag-meeting na po kami regarding sa protocol so that pag-create nyo sa mga section ninyo, hindi siya magkaroon ng conflict.
Nasa admin talaga.
Kaya nga, yung inuna namin ngayon yung admin. Every school. We haven't tried. We don't know. At parang wala yata ang ganong facilities.
Kasi pwede siya, sir.
Parang wala yata limit pang facility.
Okay, so going back to our discussion, the website that you're going to put on the URL side is the slms.depedtacorong.org. So, as it mentioned by Sir Justine. So, of course, you're going to be asked and you're going to be prompted with an account. So, I do have an account. So, yun po yung account ko.
Yung account po na na-register nyo kanina.
Yun po. Ha? Okay. So, ita-type din ang password. Okay. So, as a manager and an admin, you're going on my side naman po, yung gagalawin po natin is the site administration. Okay? So, ito lang po tandaan natin ha. If you're going to manage the facilities itself, you just go to the site administration. Just go along with this icon and facilities. On the cellphone itself, yung makikita nyo lang po is itong icon na ito. Okay? Kasi nakatago yung name. Kasi maliit po yung screen at saka resolution ng ating cellphone. So, yung makikita lang po natin is this icon. So, you're going to click this one. After you're going to click that one, you're going to go to the course and manage course and categories. Yes. Now, I do have things that I'm going to remind you as a manager in creating subject and year levels and classroom. Now, this category is referred to a classroom, a year level, a classroom, and this core and section, and this course is referred to the subject. Okay? Yun lang yung pag-ano natin ha. That is the thing that we should take note. This, again, may I reiterate, this category is referred if you're going to create a year level, a section, and this one is referring to, this course is referring to the subject itself. Okay? Pag nagalaw po itong course na ito, you're going to create a subject. Pag ginala mo po itong new category, you're going to create year level or a section. Okay? Klaro po tayo dyan ha? Okay. Now, let's say for example, I'm going to create year level on Radyo Buda National High School. Yun yung task akin. So, I'm going to...
Mamaya po, kasi hindi pa namin naubos na encode ang tanan ng mga section. So, diyan po una-una nating i-workshop. Yung create section under the categories. Then,
Okay.
siyempre, add kayo ng subject doon sa may course.
Okay. So, the thing that you're going to press is this plus sign. Okay. Now,
Dalawa pala.
logically speaking, para at least, yung gusto ko kasing mangyari, mag-demo siya. Okay. Let's say for example, dito tayo mag-a-add sa Radyo Muda National High School. You're going to click this Radyo Muda National High School. Then, take note ha. Radyo Muda National High School, meron siyang grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10. May grade 11, grade 12 po. Okay? Now, doon naman sa mga grade level, meron siyang different section. Okay? So, we are going to create a year level out of Radyo Muda National High School. So, I'm going to click Radyo Muda National High School, then create category. Okay? Now, doon, ang hindi ko pa nagawa sa Radyo Muda National High School is grade 9. So, I'm going to create grade 9. Grade 9. Okay? So, category number. So, ito yung dapat na protocol natin dapat sundin. Okay? In the case that every one of you has included in a single domain, para hindi po tayo magkalituhan, gagawin po natin yung protocol. Okay. So, in creating protocol for your school and creating year level, so Radyo Muda National, okay, Radyo Muda National High School, grade 9. Okay? Klaro. Klaro tayo, sir at saka ma'am ha? Okay.
First protocol.
Okay? So, first protocol to follow. Okay. So, after which, we're going to create category.
May grade 9 na.
Okay? So, makikita nyo, meron na tayong grade 9. Sa grade 9, sir, give me a section on grade 9.
Newton and Einstein.
Okay. So, I'm going to create classroom for Newton. Okay? So, i-click ko yung grade 9 naman. Okay? Gets nyo po yung concept? Okay. So, sa grade 9 ako gagawa. So, i-click ko yung grade 9. Then, create ako category. Okay. So, doon naman, gagawin ko dito, it's grade
No.
Einstein.
Einstein.
Newton. Okay.
Newton.
Newton. Okay. Then, yung protocol nating susundin is
School.
the name of the school, Radyo Muda National High School,
G9.
grade 9, Newton. Okay?
Yan po ang protocol pag sa section na.
Okay. After which, we're going to create category. Okay? So, doon sa grade 9, nagawa na po tayo.
Newton.
Now, we are going to add subject on that particular section. So, we're going to click the Newton. Okay, so, para klaro tayo siguro, to give you a demonstration, para hindi kayo malito, gagawa tayo ng another section which is the Einstein. Okay, doon sa grade 9 ulit, i-click natin yan siya. Then, after you click the grade 9, you're going to create new category. Okay, so we do have Einstein. Einstein. Tama na? Okay. So, again, do have a protocol. The school name, Radyo Muda National High School. Okay, grade 9, Einstein. Okay, after which we're going to create category. Okay, next thing that we're going to do is we're going to create subject on Newton. Okay, so i-click natin yung Newton. Pag-click mo sa Newton, we're going to create
Course.
new course. Okay, so ang subject, sir?
English 9.
Sige.
English 9. Ano ba? English lang.
English lang nilalagay nyo doon, sir? English. Let's say English.
Sa pangalan. Okay lang sa pangalan.
Okay lang pangalan.
Pero pag ID, kailangan may protocol.
ID. So, tandaan lang po natin, wala po problema dito sa full name. Ang problema po natin is dito. Kasi ito yung protocol na gagamitin kasi yan ang tinatawag kasi namin sa programming is filtering. You need a particular code so that the system, the program could identify what that particular purpose is. Okay? Ganun po sa ICT, sa term ng ICT, sa programming po. Kasi it is a programming language. And this is a software created on a particular programming language. Okay. So, we're going to have to create Radyo Muda National High School, grade 9. Ano section po yun? Newton, no? Newton. Tapos, English. Okay?
Mauti lang sa umpisa.
So, una lang po mahirap. So, pwede rin po natin lagyan dito sa ilalim. Kung gusto nyo na Radyo Muda National High School,
The same with the ID number.
you could have this one. Pwede rin po siya idagdag dito. You may or you may not nalagyan dito.
Hindi kailangan.
Pero dapat kailangan talaga. Okay? So after which, you're going to save and return.
Sir, paano kung magkamali? Kasi pwede siya i-rename
Yes.
ulit.
Yes, ma'am.
You can remove.
You could remove and you could rename. Okay.
Pero
Yes.
dapat sa umpisa yan, ma'am, ma-finalize na po talaga kasi pag once na nalagyan na po yan ng estudyante, we can no longer remove. Especially pag naka-place na sila dito,
Mahirap na po yun.
Oo.
Pag nagalaw na po ng bata.
Alangan tanggalin na.
Pag naka-attempt na yung bata, yun yung mahirap. Kaya before po tayo i-deploy or before natin i-deploy yung sa subject natin sa LMS, you make it sure that everything is okay already. Ganun man talaga po tayo, di ba? Alangan naman pupunta tayo sa classroom na, ay, may nalipatan, gali ako. Di ba? Kapangit naman yun. So, that's one thing that we could have a positive response to our students that everything is doing very well. Okay? So, saan po makikita yung subject natin? Is we're going to create or we're going to click this Newton. Okay, so we do have already English. Okay? Again, we're going to create another subject on Newton. Okay, so we're going to click Newton. Then create new course. Then we do have mathematics. Hindi mo click ni Prima.
Dali lang siya actually.
So, Radyo Muda National High School, G9, Newton, Mathematics.
Mathematics.
Oh, pwede po. Pwede po. Discretion niyo yan, ma'am, na ano. So, we're going to copy this one. After which, if you paste them dito, then, you're going to click Save and Return. So, nandito na po.
May other admin pa man.
Oh, may other admin pa. So, i-demo po natin yan mamaya kung paano mag-change ng
Kasi yung
password. Sir.
pinaka-common na problem namin during dry run, nakalimutan ng teacher, nakalimutan ng estudyante yung password.
Yes.
Kaya, pina-stress out ko talaga, naturuan kayo kung paano mag-reset ng password.
Okay? So,
Liwata naman dito naman sa ibang school para...
okay. So, sa ibang school naman po tayo. So, dito sa may San Emmanuel. Okay. Sa Upper Katungal. Okay. Sa Upper Katungal, we're going to create dito sa Upper Katungal. So, we're going to create Upper Katungal. After which, create a category. So, we're going to have...
Grade 7.
Okay. Grade 7. Okay.
Okay lang po sa name.
Sa name, sir, okay lang. Pero dito, sir, kasi sa programming, bawal po yan. Hindi po ma-filter yan siya maayos. Okay? So, UK, NHS, tapos grade 7.
Grade 7 lang.
Okay. So, after nun, create category. Okay? So, nakikita mo na po natin meron. Okay? So, question teachers, participants.
Dagdagan pa sa section. Para
Okay.
daw isagid ka round ng libot.
Sige.
Wala ma-complicated ba?
Okay. So, we're going to create a section on UKNHS,
Grade 7.
grade 7. So, i-click natin yung grade 7. Then, create new category. Section na po tayo dito, ha? Okay. So, ma'am, give me a section doon sa grade 7. Love, ma'am. Okay, love.
Marami kong ginawa sa lab.
Gani. Okay. So, UKN. Ay, mali. UKNHS. G7. Tapos, love. Okay, then create category. Then, create tayo ng subject doon. Okay? Doon sa love, i-create tayo ng subject. We're going to click the love. Then, create new course. Okay, we do have, English.
If you have noticed, palagi talaga yung stress out ni Sir Labadja yung i-click yung doon sa inyo na site. Kasi baka nakalimutan nyo, nakaklik kayo sa ibang
Yes.
school. At doon kayo na-create ng subject. It will create confusion to other school.
Yes, sir. Okay, so do have,
Anyway, alalayan mo kamo sa mga
Yes.
focal person na naka-assign sa inyo. Ina-record siya sa mga
naka-record ni pre?
recorded.
Okay, so, sa first name na po tayo, UKNHS G7 English.
Dali lang.
Okay, di ba madali lang po? Okay,
Yan
then
yung mamayang gagawin
save
ninyo.
and return.
Wala na sa lab.
Okay. So, i-edit lang po natin. Let's say for example, okay?
Good thing nangyari.
Good thing nangyari na may mali tayo. Okay? Now, kung may mali tayo, remember, you could edit things using this icon, gear sign. Okay? So, i-click natin yung gear sign. Then, sa gear sign, you could delete. Kung di pala belong doon, you could delete. Or you could have this, a lot of things or facilities. So, in this thing, we're just going to edit. Okay? So, dapat grade 7, love.
Dito sa piyak na sa subject.
Okay, sa subject. Okay, so i-back lang natin. Okay, sa love. Then English. So we could have
Edit icon.
edit icon. Ito po, yung gear sign. Then, ito pala oh. Hindi nalagyan ng love. Pasensya po ma'am. Nawalan po ako ng love. Bumalik na po.
Isa pa.
Okay, so
Sa ID.
dito pa pala. Okay, so we're going to paste that one. Then save and return.
Mamaya sa. Hindi mo yan mamaya.
Okay.
Yung pinaka-highlight.
Yes. Okay, so question?
Again, i-suss out ko lang ha. Ang tawag sine, amo rin pinakaunan yung mga obrahon.
Robot ka pre.
So, hindi maka-add ang mga teachers sa ilang estudyante kag mga subject nila unless makreate lang nga courses kag section kag subject. Okay, so mo lang primary role ninyo nga obrahon after the
Okay. So,
pakita ka pa din
Okay.